Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Vintage farmhouse style is all about combining rustic charm with cozy comfort. Here are some decoration ideas to achieve that. Incorporate reclaimed wood elements for furniture, flooring, or accent all to add warmth and character to the space. Choose furniture and decor items with distressed finishes to give them an aged, well-loved look. Hunt for vintage pieces like old signs, lanterns, or kitchenware at flea markets, antique shops, or online auctions to add authentic charm. Install a large apron front farmhouse sink in the kitchen for a classic focal point that also offers practicality. Use mason jars for storing kitchen essentials or as vases for fresh flowers and incorporate galvanized metal accents like buckets, trays, or lanterns for a rustic touch. Choose soft, natural textiles like nylon, cotton, and burlap for curtains, throw pillows, and bedding to add comfort and texture. Look for vintage-inspired lighting fixtures such as pendant lights with glass shades or old iron candeliers to enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Invest in a sturdy farmhouse-style dining table with a distressed finish and paired with mismatched chairs for a cozy, inviting gathering space. Decorate walls with botanical prints, vintage maps, or farm animal illustrations to evoke a sense of nostalgia and connection to nature. Display antique books, clocks, coils, and other vintage finds throughout the home to infuse it with personality and history. Remember, the key to achieving the vintage farmhouse look is to mix old and new elements while keeping the overall aesthetic cozy, welcoming, and full of character. Thanks for watching this video.